Guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of it's not working on your device on the application of Twitter. You will click on settings, X Twitter. You will go to settings, then you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about X Twitter and you will click here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of X Twitter. Here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget